Action.
Hey, welcome back to the ROY Garage. On today's episode, we're going to try and get this 305 on this engine stand.
Let's get started.
What did you do, Dad, doing this work?
Yeah,
You gotta wait for us to say action before you do something.
I got it. Dad, what do you think we should do first?
Put that together and take the tranny off.
How do you do that?
I don't know, you guys know how to do that.
I thought you knew how to do it, though.
I don't know how to do nothing. Now when it comes to motors.
Alright.
Trailers, I can do everything.
Oh, okay.
Why do you think you guys are here?
So Dad really wants an engine and transmission for a project car. So Jake and I are going to mount that engine on the engine stand that we got.
I'm an engineer, I don't read directions. Or if only when I'm stumped.
We had to go to town and get a bigger drill bit to be able to get through it, because the caster we got had the wrong inner diameter ID.
Alright guys, we have our engine stand assembled. Now we're going to work on getting this 305 on the engine stand.
Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of the ROY Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those notifications, and if you want to learn how to support, check the description below and tune in next week when we take the transmission off this engine.